In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order discount promotion on eBay. This is a great way to incentivize buyers, increase sales, and move more products. We're going to walk through the entire process, ensuring that every step is crystal clear so by the end, you'll feel confident enough to set this up on your own. Let's start at the beginning. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Once you've done that, head over to My eBay. From there, navigate to Selling to access the Seller Hub. This is your command center for everything related to selling on eBay, from tracking sales to managing customer relations. Within the Seller Hub, you'll find several tabs at the top. Click on the Marketing tab. Here you'll see an option for discounts. This is where you can manage all of your promotional pricing strategies. Click on discounts and then look towards the top right of the page for the Create Discount button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Order Discount. Now, you're going to select the type of discount you want to offer. You have a few choices here. First, there's the minimum spend option. This allows you to set a threshold where a buyer earns the discount only if they spend a certain amount. It's a great way to increase the average order value. Alternatively, you can choose minimum quantity. This lets you offer a discount when a customer purchases a specific number of items. It's particularly useful if you have excess inventory you need to move. Lastly, you have the option for no minimum purchase. This is a straight up discount without any spending conditions, making it simple and attractive, especially for smaller purchases. After you decide on the kind of discount, it's time to specify the discount amount. This can be either a percentage off or a fixed amount. The choice depends on what's more appealing or strategic given your product mix and typical customer purchase patterns. Once you've settled on this, you'll need to define the conditions. This includes setting the minimum spend level or the quantity required to unlock the discount, depending on the type of discount you've chosen. Next, select which items, categories, or if you prefer, your entire inventory to apply your discount. This ensures that your promotion targets the right products, helping you achieve your sales goals. Once everything is set, review all your discount details carefully. If everything looks good, you'll have the option to either launch your promotion immediately or schedule it for a later date, depending on your sales strategy. Lastly, it's important to know that eBay now requires a store subscription for most promotions. Keep this in mind as you plan your promotional strategies. And there you have it. You're all set to create your own order discount promotion on eBay. I hope this walkthrough helped you understand the process and gave you the insights needed to drive more sales through effective promotions. Thanks for watching and happy selling.